Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to use Thread application by Instagram. Thread application is a new feature that Instagram recently launched. You can download this application from your Google Play Store or App Store in iOS device. So first thing is I'm going to show you the downloading process. Open the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar you type in Thread by Instagram. Tap on search. There you can see the Threads and Instagram application. Tap upon that and install the application. You wait for the application to be fully installed. Once the application is done, you tap on open. This will open the Thread application. Now you need to set up your Thread account first. For that, all you have to do is you need to tap on login with Instagram, which will give you the option to log in. You tap on login with Instagram, that's your profile name. The profile will be automatically seen as you are already logged in into the Instagram account of yours. You will easily be able to set up your Thread account as Instagram is already logged in into your Instagram application. So it will take the data from there and you will be easily be able to set up your Thread profile through Instagram profile. So here you need to provide your name. If you want to add bio and link, you can do this over here. I'm just gonna go and tap on next. You can also tap on import from Instagram to add all those directly from Instagram to your Thread profile. I'm going to tap on next on top right. Now you can choose whether you want to make your Thread account public or private. You can choose the option. I'm going to go with the private option and then tap on continue. Follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. So in the Thread, you need to follow the accounts. You can follow all by the accounts that you follow on the Instagram, or you can choose to whom you want to follow. I'm just going to go and tap on follow all, then tap on join Thread. This will lead you to the Thread feed where you can see posts from people you follow as well as random users that you do not follow on Thread. So this is the homepage of Thread. This homepage is the home icon which will bring you to your feed. Now if you tap on the search icon here, you will be able to search pages where you can type in the username on the search bar and people that you wish to follow on Thread application. Just like that, the paper icon or the pen or paper icon over here on the middle will let you create a new thread. Likewise, the heart icon shows your account activity. It displays who followed you, who replied to your thread, who mentioned you in their post, and which users are verified. You will have all the information over here. And at the end, the last profile icon. This will take you to your Thread profile where you can see your activity, you can edit your profile, and you can share your profile as well. So I'll show you how you can create a thread now. Click on that pen and paper icon, tap that. Now the post in Thread is limited to 500 characters, though you can add a photo, video or GIF to it by pressing the paperclip icon. Tap that and you will be able to access the device files which you can upload on your Thread. So I'm just gonna make a random post over here, type in the caption over here. I'm gonna add a picture as well. Tap on done. Now all you need to do is tap on post on the bottom and that post will be made on your Thread profile. You can see the post that you have just made. You can also directly access your Instagram account through Thread. For that, you tap on the Instagram icon on the top, tap that, and this will direct you to the Instagram account of yours directly. And if you tap on the two horizontal lines, you will be at the settings section. Here you can make changes to your accounts by tapping on privacy. You can make it to the private and public over here. You can follow, you can see the mentions or the messages to the profile you follow. Likewise in accounts, you can make changes over here. Either you want to edit your personal information, your security, you want to download your information, all that will be present over here. So this is a way how you can easily use Thread by Instagram. This is somehow similar to the Twitter application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.